Dude, you should bring that tomorrow when we jump off those bridges.
Oh,
straight up.
Yeah, right. Record one of us dying.
Straight up, dude. Be like on real TV or something.
Yeah, for real. You're like, and this is what happens when you miss. Like land on your face. Oh, suck. Wait, did you bring the weenies out there?
Yeah, they're right here.
Oh. Wait, grab the song. Grab the song.
Wait, where am I putting this? Like right here? Like next to the wieners?
Right here.
Oh yeah, put the wieners back there. Oh yeah, look, that's our garden right there. Badass. That's Andrez right there. That's Andrez. Those are my grapes. I don't know if the thing zooms. Damn it, it doesn't zoom. Ow! Okay. Ow! Okay, these are my grapes. Straight up, I'm trying to grow these little bastards. See, those are my grapes. Yeah, I didn't know if that one was gonna turn out very well, but it did. That one's good. That one's the best. But yeah, they're grapes. Those are his shoes. And those are my feet. Oh, dude, is my zipper undone? No, okay. I was about to say, dang it, man. Ah. Okay. So now where now? Put them like over there. Oh, where'd the dog go? See if this works. Alright. That was good. You think that's a good recording? I think 4 minutes is long enough.
Yeah.
How do you stop it? Wait.